So here we go. We're building a feeder stand for the horses. You can show them the ones outside just so they have a reference. And you can keep it rolling from that end.
Yeah, he doesn't
two more of those for the other side.
Doesn't really know what he's doing.
Just a couple of posts. Oh, that's right. I mean, we're like the rancher. I have no idea what I'm doing. So all I'm going to do is put these in just like this with some scrap wood I got.
Okay.
Nice and solid.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys remember a couple weeks ago I made a saddle stand. I also put on some casters for it just so it moves around a little bit better. I'm just going to get it in slow motion.
Oh, jeez.
You want to see? Did you see I put casters? Look. Okay, all done. I got 2 of them done. Ran out of scrap wood, so I had to use some other scrap wood, which I didn't like using, but it is what it is. And so once this Tennessee weather turns into something a little bit better, I'll be able to replicate those 2 backboards over here. Got another project at the ranch. Got to put up the 2 feeding stations. So I've got these 2 over here, and I want to get 2 more over here. So I've got my spots marked out with those flags roughly where it's supposed to be at. Much easier. I'm like a rickshaw driver in Taiwan.
Just put music over it.
We're gonna stand this up. It's not exactly light because the wood is pretty wet. It's Tennessee. Everything's wet out here. And that's what I get for talking smack. It's gonna be a long walk, and hopefully my feet measured correctly, because that is, after all, never mind that water, it's Tennessee. That's when bad stuff happens.
You just called me a cow because the cows were mooing.
Well, this is what I get. Show them the concrete.
Oh, yeah. We got a lot of rain and thunderstorms, and he puts down a whole bag, an 80-pound bag of concrete where the shop door leaks. It's really smart. That's what guys do. Really smart things. And we're set.
Okay, so we can come back. This one seems lower though, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's just because more dirt has fallen in.
Kick some dirt in that hole.
Okay.
For favor.
So this is the professional way to fix unlevel objects and structures.
That's enough.
You just kick a little bit of dirt in there. And there you go. It's fixed.
Almost. If I had a better assistant.
You're about to have no assistant.
That was a good retort.
Still not level. Let me do it here.
I'm gonna sink this side. Oh, you know what? Just pull your weight on that side.
All right, here comes the cow. You gotta kick it in, Tony.
Yeah, I think that side actually we need to pull it out and I need to auger some.
No, it'll be okay.
No, because it's not in line with the other one.
It's okay. It doesn't need to.
That's not going to do it. Okay, it's close enough. Are you good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, well we can't do anything right now, right?
Yeah, because somebody activated the concrete without meaning to.
All right, go get the wheelbarrow. Go get the wheelbarrow. Is it a wheeled barrow or wheelbarrow?